all the best. Ang hinihiling ko lang sa Panginoon, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para i-celebrate ang iyong karawan. Salamat sa pagmamahal at sacrifice na ibinigay mo sa amin. We love you, Nanay.
Hi, Nanay. Happy 80th birthday. Sana masalo pa ang buhay mo. Mawala na yung mga karamdaman mo. At sana masaya ka sa ngayong araw. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay. Wish you all the best. For blessing to God. And mag-ingat kayo palagi. Mahal ko kayo, Nanay. Mahal namin kayo. And sorry, Nanay, kung minsan makulit ako and pass away. And always remember na yung mahal namin kayo. And I wish na makasama pa namin kayo matagal. Nanay, I love you.
Sana makapaguluan ang sana pa ng matagal. Sana mga tabog na sa aming lahat.
Hi Grandma, today is a very special day. It's your birthday. I want to say happy birthday with a big smile. On your birthday, you can eat cake, get
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.